In this video, I'll be showing you the best AIO with an LCD screen for less than $100. We got the Loda L36WH from Occupus. This thing goes for less than $100 on Amazon. And this is the white version. It is very sleek. The fans are very high quality compared to some I've seen. Not only that, it comes with the LCD screen. Here are some reasons why I think this is the best budget AIO. First of all, we got this sleek appearance. Very nice.
Nice.
Come over here, we got this. We got an LCD screen. For only $100 to display the temperature and have LEDs go around it is a great deal. Not only that, it spins at 2,000 RPM per fan with 12 channel ways for water to go through to dissipate the heat. This dissipate heat with 12 channel ways will be able to dissipate it quickly, bringing down the temperature a lot faster, which will be able to bring more performance out of your PC. And isn't that what we're all going for at the best price possible? This AIO has 12 water pathways within the radiator, meaning it can dissipate the heat at a quicker and more effective rate than most AIOs. If you guys would like to pick up one of these AIOs, I'll put links to the Amazon in my description. $100 for the 360mm radiator, and for the smaller radiator, it is only $85, which is a steal, knowing that you're also getting an LCD with this powerful AIO. The fans that it comes with are these very sturdy 2,000 RPM fans. Stay tuned for future uploads because I will be using this case to build a great budget PC with this 3060 graphics card that I only got for $200. So stay tuned for that video. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment what you guys would like to see next.